welcome back to my channel. Christmas is a week away and it gives you a perfect amount of time to start preparing for your Christmas cake. So today I'm going to share my recipe for Christmas plum cake. So let's get started. First we'll start by preparing our dry fruits. Put all the dry fruits in a pan. Here I have taken some black raisins, normal raisins, almonds, cashews, dried plums, cherries and some tutti frutti. All the measurements are given in the description box below, you can check it out. Now to this we'll add some orange marmalade. If you don't have orange marmalade, you can add some chopped orange peels. Next we'll add our booze. Here I'm taking dark rum, brandy and a bit of sherry wine. Next we'll add some cinnamon cloves and nutmeg powder, some dark brown sugar, vanilla essence and some dry ginger powder. Now mix them all with a wooden spoon and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes on a really low flame. Once done, let it cool down completely and store it in a glass or plastic airtight container. Refrigerate it for a week while giving it a shake every day. Now let's move on to baking our cake. But before getting started, make sure all of your ingredients are at room temperature. So first I have taken some soft butter in a bowl. To this we'll add some vanilla essence. And then I have taken a mixture of normal sugar and brown sugar. We'll add this in small parts and whisk it until it is light and pale. Next we'll add the eggs one by one and whisk it until it becomes airy and fluffy. Make sure to scrape the sides in between. Next we'll sift in our dry ingredients, flour, cocoa powder and some baking soda. Then we'll add some cinnamon and nutmeg powder and whisk for about 30 seconds until everything just comes together. Make sure you do not over whisk, otherwise the cake will become dense. Now finally we'll add our prepared dry fruits and gently fold it in. Now pour this batter into an 8-inch baking tray lined with some baking sheet and bake it in a preheated oven for 55 minutes to an hour at 150 degrees Celsius. Once done, take it out and let it cool down completely. Then dust it with some powdered sugar and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe and give a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed to it yet, please do subscribe and share. Last but not the least, I wish you all a very happy Christmas and happy holidays. I hope you try this recipe at home and enjoy with your friends and family. Until next time, see ya.